Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to flip or mirror your PCB in PCB design software. First of all, there are two ways to do this. One is through the top menu, and the other is using shortcut key. Let's start with the first method. At the top of the software interface, find the View menu and click on it. In the drop-down, you will see an option called Flip Board. There's also a shortcut key shown next to it, usually F. When you select this option, the entire PCB will flip on the screen, which is really convenient. One thing to note is that flipping the board only changes the visual display. It creates a mirrored view, but it doesn't change that actual placement of components. It's just for easier view. This feature is especially useful when you are working with a double-sided PCB and want to check the routing on the backside. To summarize, there are two ways to flip your PCB. Use the menu, View, Flipboard. Use shortcut key. Depending on your software version, it could also be Alt plus F. Both methods are quick, so you can choose whichever you prefer. Alright, that's for today's lesson. I hope this helped you when checking the backside of your PCB layout. See you in the next class.